I want to talk to you about passive income online. This is the panacea of online money, without a doubt. And essentially, what it means is you put up a website and people go to the website and they do something and you make money. Okay. The only way you're going to get traffic to a website is if you engage with social media or the search engine send it to you. So the only way to do that is to post frequent new content. So that takes effort, nothing passive about it. Back 10 years ago, we came out with software that would post articles from article directories like eZine articles and other ones out there to your blog, and you would generate traffic because you had new content being posted every day. And there's this thing called tag and ping that generated traffic, and they would click on ads. You'd make money from AdSense. So you'd set it up and you'd leave it alone, and you'd make $1 a day per website. If you build 100 websites, you make $100 a day. Seemed easy enough, and it really worked well for a few years. And then Google got to the point where they said, we don't want all this duplicate content, because in their mind, what they're trying to do is outperform the other advertising businesses, and that's what they sell online. That means they want to provide their users with superior experiences. Well, going to an affiliate website or a website that has the same content as the other 10 websites in the search engine results is not a superior experience. So they found ways through their algorithm to filter out all the duplicate content and the poor quality content. And they actually judge now based on people's engagement with your content. So if you have unique content that's engaging, you'll do pretty good. But if you don't, you won't. So automatically posting content from other websites to your website in order to drive traffic because it's a new post doesn't work anymore. This is what we were selling in 2010, and we had some great solutions for it. But things evolve for the obvious reasons that they evolved. Now remember, Google is an advertising company. And nowadays, you can actually drive more traffic quicker from social media than you can from Google. I couldn't say that 10 years ago, but now you can say that. So then you're saying, well, then you just post articles to Twitter and Facebook and drive out traffic to your website to gather clicks on ads and make money that way. That doesn't work either. You need to make sure that the content is unique, original, and engaging. This means you have to put effort into it. So every day you'll see me making one of these videos, posting on YouTube, syndicating across my network, amplifying my traffic to my website, generating leads from that. So there's no such thing as truly passive income. Now, if you happen to own a website that gets tons of traffic, like a forum, you could put ads in that forum and probably do pretty well, but try managing a forum. I've done it before. I used to do it for classic rock bands in the 90s. Not fun. Lots of complaints, lots of issues, technical problems, getting hacked, you name it, it happened. It was a pain in the butt to manage those forums. And that's why most people don't build forums anymore. They just let everything go to social media. It works basically the same anyway. You build a group or a fan page and you let people interact all they want. You don't have to worry about administration. So maybe you own a social media site. Well, that takes a lot of work too. So it's very difficult to make passive income. Now you can actually, to be fair with you, if you have a way of getting lots of leads, like I do, you can set up your autoresponding sequence, a real long email sequence, and just drip email leads into your email campaign and let that traffic flow and generate revenues off of that. But that takes a lot of effort too, and then you got to maintain the leads and you got to maintain your autoresponder so that you're deleting dead leads who aren't engaging, Nothing is truly passive online. In my opinion, nowadays, it's going to take some effort. You can make tons of money, but if you want to do that, you got to create original content, post it I prefer YouTube, and post it to your blog, and then syndicate it out to your social media networks and make your blog kind of the amplification center of your traffic. And if you do that, you can do whatever you want to do. If you want them just to click ads, fine, put ads on there. If you want them to buy ClickBank products, put ClickBank products on there. But it's not going to be quick. It's going to take time. But passive income is really a fantasy. I don't care what other people are saying. it's going to take daily effort to generate it.